Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm just going to show you really quick on how to change the spark plugs on a Haskavarna 240. So to do this, there's going to be a couple screws that we need to take out. One here, and one here. That will allow us to access our spark plug. Let's take those screws out and we'll remove the top. Now I'm using a screwdriver here, but you can also use the multi-tool that comes with the chainsaw. Now once we have the top off, we can see we have our spark plug off. So we'll take the spark plug cap off. And then we'll grab a wrench to take the spark plug off. While I'm taking the old spark plugs out, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now I've had this chainsaw for about 6 years. I get 8 cord every other year, or I'll go out in the woods and I'll cut down about 8 cord. So right now I'm cutting about 8 cords out back. I've got about 5 cords cut. I've never changed the spark plugs on it, so I'm not surprised that they're kind of going. Normally this chainsaw starts up pretty easy. So I'm just going to change the spark plugs out and we'll go from there.
1 hour later.
Alright, so I went to the store, grabbed the new filter for my Haskavarna. So we'll stick that in here now. And there we go, got that in without cross-threading it at all. And we'll just tighten that up. Now the other thing I noticed, and I wish I had noticed this before I had it gone out, is my filter is quite clogged. So I'm going to see if I can pop the filter out, clean it out a little bit, and then put it back in. And then I'll order a new one and hopefully that'll arrive relatively soon. Oh, this was nasty. Well, the filter is certainly doing its job. But like I said, I don't have another one right now, so I'm going to just clean it off, put it back in, let it dry out a little bit, and then hopefully we start up no problem at all. Alright, so all I did is run that under the tap, washed it with some soap and water as well, just to make sure that there's nothing on it. So I'll let that dry out, and then I'll install that back in. Now to help dry it out, all I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into an old rag, squeeze that into it a couple times. I'm going to put it into an old rag, squeeze that into it a couple times. It's almost perfectly dry, surprisingly enough, after just doing that a couple times. So I might just put that right back in. Now that we got the filter back in, we got a spark plug back in, the cap's back on. We'll put it back together, we'll go outside and we'll start it back up. Alright guys, so I just put the new spark plug in. We'll give that a shot. Open our choke up halfway. Shortly we're going to be doing a video on this box right here. Leave a comment down below what you think is going to be inside it.